The ideal SEP participant is someone who has been courageous in the past to approach challenges and opportunities in new ways and brave enough today to move forward to even greater things.
Stanford is leveraging the academia and the business and bringing together a very diverse set of people to give a rich learning experience.
It really is the distillation of the most important components of leadership.
The professors from day one, what I was struck with was how real and how relatable they were. No barrier.
SEP Flex is a different option for the Stanford Executive Program. Instead of coming to Stanford for 6 immersive weeks in person, you come for 2 weeks. Immerse yourself, engage, and then you go back to your home base, and for a period while you're back at work, we engage in online synchronous delivery of content where you're interacting with the faculty, interacting with your other colleagues in the program, as well as engaging in networking events and leadership coaching. Innovation, growth, how to transform into the 21st century economy. These are the topics that the Stanford Business School faculty are the leading researchers on. Those faculty will be your professors in both SEP Full-Time and SEP Flex. Your job is to come here not because you know what's next, but because you want to design a future of discovery beyond your wildest dreams.
It is a lot of connections that can help you think through what you're going to do next.
Adding all those elements into the program make this really life-changing.